Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save 3ds Max files with materials. All right, so first up, as you can see here, I have this simple material added to this singular block. So what we're going to do to save it with all of its materials is just go ahead over to File right here at the top left, click on it. Now, as you can see here, we have the archive option. Now it says here, zip the current 3ds Max file and all associated assets into one file. So this one is the best option if you want to continue working with another computer or laptop. Okay, so just click on it and go ahead and just save it wherever you want and give it a file name. For example, my project. All right, as you can see here, save as type 3ds Max archive.zip. Click on save, wait for it to load. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and check your archive, open it up if you want to, and here we have the Max file. All right, if you have multiple textures, you'll be able to see it right here. Just to scroll through the folder. That is it. That's how simple it is to save 3ds Max file with materials. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.